Hello friends, welcome. Uh, as we know that we are going to start our learning process, and that is programming. So how to write program in C language? For C language, we are going to use an IDE, and that IDE is code blocks. In previous version, we saw there how to download code blocks, and today we are going to start our programming. So let's launch code blocks. I'm going to open it. So in two ways we can write program. First is simply click file, new, empty file. So this is the first way, and second way is there, file, new, project. So we are going through project. Second, I'll show you after some time. Click console application, click go. Now in this dialog box, it is asking whether C or C++. Select C. Next, give the title of project like hello world, and give the folder where you want to save. You can choose from here if you want to store in different folder then. And after that, suppose I want to save on desktop, so I'm just clicking desktop, select, and just don't do anything else there. Click next, click finish. So our project, it has been created. Now click sources, click main C. Now we can see here computer has coded ourselves, coded for us, and let's understand in detail about this. So here is our small program of hello world. So I want to show you first this output. Let's build it. We can compile it. After that, build and run. So here is the output, hello world. Let's understand line by line. First line, it is called comment. It's called comment line. It is called preprocessor directive with header file io.h. I am zooming in. This first line, I'm going to explain line by line here. This first line, it is called comment line. Comment line means what our program is going to do, what is the title, what is the objective of a program. Most we write here, like we are going to learn C program, and since it is our first program, so I have written here my first program in C. So I have written it is called comment line. And whenever you write comment, first you write slash. This is a forward slash. Don't use this slash, it is wrong. So use forward slash, and after that click asterisk and write to comments as I have written here. Then put the asterisk, then put the slash. So this is the first way you can write there. And second is there, we can also write in this way, multi-line we say mostly. This is multi-line comment. We can also write in this way. So it will be comment. If it is lengthy and we have to write more lines, then we can also write in this way. Thus we can break the line. So this is also comment. This is also comment. And next way to write our comment is here, simply write two slashes as I have written here. On right side, two slashes mean two forward slash. It is also comment. Two forward slash and start your comments. Like instead of writing this one, simply we can write two slash. So this is our comment section. Comment you can write anywhere, like I have written over here. We can see over here. It is just for description, just for understanding, and to assume more and more about the programs and their functions, their executing styles. We write these comments. It is better to write there, but actually this on right side mostly it is written by the developers while developing softwares. So if you are beginner, then we don't need to write here, but we can understand that this is also a way to write our comments. So first line is comment. Second line we can see second line is has, then include, and stdio.s. Actually this has, it is called preprocessor directive, and this preprocessor directive it commands the compiler. So whatever we have written here, this part, look inside this header file stdio.s, and this header file, it is inside this directory include. So this is called preprocessor directive. So whatever line starts with this hash symbol, that is called preprocessor directive. This include, it is directory, and this stdio.h, it is header file. This stdio.h it stands for standard input output header file, and it is used to handle all the inputs and outputs. So it's very simple to understand there. Without this header file, we cannot to go for input and output. So next part is here main function. C language, it is made of large number of functions, and among all the functions, one major function is main function. Main function, it controls all of the function. It also commands all of the functions, and it simply says there, now from here after this main we can start our statements as I have written here. So this is called main function. Mostly while writing main, we have to use int. Now it is standard to write int main. It means our program is going to return an integer value. This int, it means integer, and our program is going to return integer value. So why we have written int main here, mostly we write int main, and somewhere we also write main. If you write simply main, then again we have to return some value here depending upon the program. And if we write here void main, if we write void main, this return is not needed. It is not needed. I'm making comment here. We can see here. So void main means it is not going to return any value. But apart from this main, void main, if we write simply main or if we write int main, it means it is going to return some value. So this is the concept of int main, and in this code blocks actually we are going to use int main only here because this is standard of program and used all over the world. And after that we can see the curly bracket of the brace, and inside this is called opening and this is called closing. This is opening, this is closing. Inside this opening and closing we put all our statements. We put all our statements. So this was about the opening brace and the closing brace. Inside the opening brace we can see the printf and hello world. Printf, it stands for print formatted. It is an output function as I have written here in comment section. It is an output function and it prints the string you have written over here. Right? It prints the string you have written over here. So that is the meaning of printf. And printf, it exists inside stdio.h. It exists inside this stdio.h. It means before we use printf, stdio.h must be there. If we don't write stdio.h, this printf cannot be used. There would be an error. So this is the meaning of printf. And this slash and it is called an escape sequence. It breaks the line. In next programs we will be talking more about this one. Return 0 means I just said that if we are using int main, then there is rule of C program that it must return some value. Like if we are going to find sum of 2 and 3, then output is 5. Then we have to write the return 5. But since this program it is not returning any value, it is very simple program and not returning any value. So what we have to do here, we have to write return 0. But one thing is there, if we use void main, we don't need to write return. If we use main only, again we have to write return 0. So this is the you see that outline of a basic program of our that C hello world, and if we run it, then we get output like this. So we can see the output here, hello world. So whatever we put here, it displays on screen. So this is how we can understand our first basic program of C. I think you understood this program. In next video, I'll be presenting same video, same program using some like case and some other header files. I think you understood and you like the video, just click like button, click subscribe, share with your friends, and just wait for next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and stay blessed.